Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this circular part. Outer dia 90, inner dia 60, length is 80 mm. Friends, before starting I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select the right plane, create two circles, give the dimensions 90 and 60. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane 80 mm. Okay. Now base has created. Now there is one more circular part. Outer dia 80, inner dia 50 mm and length is 40 mm. Select the front plane, sketch, select circle, create two circles, give the dimensions 80 and 50. Select the midpoint circle and origin point, give the vertical constraint. One more dimension is required, from center to center 120 mm. That's it, sketch is fully constrained. Select extrude, select mid plane, length is 40 mm. Okay. Next there is a rib connected to the two circular parts, thickness is 20 mm. For that select front plane, sketch, select the line, this part take it down, select the convert entities, select this circular part. Okay. Select trim entities, trim this top portion. Okay. Now this dimension we need to give. From here to here can give just give the 95 mm. I will see. Select this point and this point, give vertical constraint. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse direction 20 mm. Okay. So we need to reduce that. Go to extrude, edit sketch, $90. Okay. Next there is a one rib 20 mm thickness. For that select right plane, sketch, select line, select this and this, give the tangent constraint. Finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 20 mm. Here upward direction, just click the arrow, it will reverse 20 mm. Okay. Next, back side there is one more flange, that length is 75 mm, thickness is 16 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select here corner rectangle, give the dimensions 16 mm. From hole center 65. Finish sketch, extrude up to 75 mm. Select fillet here, give the dimension 40 mm. Select two edges. There is one more hole. Select circle. Hole diameter is 30 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here give only 20 mm. Okay. I hope all the features are completed, friends. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. And also, if you are enjoying this session, hit the like button and subscribe buttons. Select here appearances, assign material. I will go with metal. In the metal I will go with steel. In the steel I will go with polished steel. So we can edit appearances here. Like this, we can change the color also. Which color you want, you can assign here. So that's the today's session, friends. Finally save the part, Ctrl S. I will save it in my desktop. Save. So thanks for watching this session, friends. Once again I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me.